Ladies and gentlemen, picture this, a sleek, gleaming luxury car gliding effortlessly down the road. Its polished exterior reflects the world around it, while its opulent interior cradles you in unparalleled comfort. The engine hums with a symphony of precision engineering, and every detail, from the stitching on the leather seats to the cutting-edge technology at your fingertips, speaks of sophistication, success, and a life lived on your terms. Now imagine that car is yours. But let's be clear, a luxury car is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement. It's a symbol of achievement, a reward for hard work, and a reflection of your commitment to excellence. It's about living a life where you don't just settle for what's average or adequate but reach for the extraordinary. Owning a luxury car is not just about transportation, it's about transformation. Yet, let's be honest. That car isn't going to show up in your driveway by accident. It won't come as a result of wishful thinking or half-hearted effort. No, that car, and everything it represents, requires a deliberate, disciplined, and determined approach to life. And today, I'm here to tell you that you are capable of making it happen. First, let's talk about the dream. Dreams are powerful. They fuel our ambition, ignite our creativity, and push us to strive for more. But dreams without action are like luxury cars without engines. They look good on the surface but won't take you anywhere. So, the first step is to turn your dream into a goal. Be specific. What's the make and model of the car you desire? What features make it special to you? What does it cost? Visualize it clearly and write it down. This is no longer a vague aspiration, it's a target. Next, you need a plan. Every great achievement begins with a roadmap. Owning a luxury car is not just about affording it, it's about aligning your lifestyle, habits, and decisions with your goal. Start by evaluating where you are today. What is your current income? What are your expenses? What's holding you back from reaching the financial position needed to own that car? These are tough questions, but they're necessary ones. Awareness is the first step toward change. Once you've assessed your starting point, it's time to strategize. How can you increase your income? Maybe it's through advancing in your career, starting a side hustle, or investing wisely. What expenses can you cut to save more effectively? This isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritization. When you're working toward a dream as significant as owning a luxury car, every dollar saved and every decision made should bring you closer to that goal. But let's not stop there. The journey to owning a luxury car is about more than just money. It's about personal growth. It's about becoming the kind of person who doesn't just dream of success but embodies it. This means developing discipline, resilience, and a relentless work ethic. It means setting high standards for yourself and refusing to settle for mediocrity. Think about the kind of mindset you need to cultivate. Successful people don't shy away from challenges, they embrace them. They see obstacles not as roadblocks but as opportunities to learn and grow. They don't make excuses, they take responsibility. And most importantly, they stay focused on their goals, even when the path gets tough. Now, let's talk about sacrifice. Achieving something extraordinary often requires giving up what's ordinary. Maybe that means cutting back on unnecessary expenses, like dining out frequently or buying things you don't truly need. Maybe it means working longer hours, learning new skills, or stepping out of your comfort zone to pursue opportunities that scare you. Remember, the pain of discipline is temporary, but the rewards of success are lasting. One of the most important investments you can make on this journey is in yourself. Read books, take courses, and seek out mentors who can guide you. The more you grow, the more value you bring to the table, and the more opportunities you'll create for yourself. A luxury car is a reward for a life of value, and the more value you provide to the world, the closer you'll get to achieving that reward. Now, let's address a common misconception. Some people think that wanting a luxury car is shallow or materialistic. But let me tell you, it's not about the car itself, it's about what it represents. It's about setting a high standard for your life. It's about proving to yourself that you can achieve what you set your mind to. It's about celebrating your hard work and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Imagine the day you finally achieve your goal. You walk into the dealership, and the car of your dreams is waiting for you. You run your hand along its flawless exterior, slide into the driver's seat, and feel the world fade away as you grip the steering wheel. In that moment, you'll realize that this car is more than just a possession. It's a symbol of everything you've overcome, everything you've built, and everything you've become. But here's the thing. The car is just the beginning. The journey to owning a luxury car is a journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. Along the way, you'll develop habits and skills that will serve you for the rest of your life. You'll learn the value of perseverance, the power of focus, and the joy of achieving something truly meaningful. And those lessons will open doors to even greater opportunities. So, let me ask you, Are you ready to take the wheel of your own life? Are you ready to stop dreaming and start doing? Are you ready to make the changes, take the risks, and do the work required to turn your dream into reality? The road to success is not always easy, but it is always worth it. And the best part? You don't have to wait for anyone's permission to start. The power is in your hands. You have the ability to rise above your circumstances, overcome your excuses, and create the life you've always wanted. So, what's it going to be? Are you going to keep imagining yourself in that luxury car, or are you going to make it happen? The choice is yours. The time is now. And the journey begins today. Remember, the luxury car of your dreams is not just a destination, it's a symbol of the incredible journey you're about to embark on. So buckle up, because the ride of your life is waiting for you. Let's go.